this out before the elevator gets here. Look at this view. Now this is an awesome view. There's an elevator. These used to be Otis UCLS. I got a big fat replacement.
G.
Yeah, we'll just do a ride down. Excuse me, I'm gonna...
Guess we gotta get a COP. CO picture.
A COPP.
Yes.
COP picture, COPP. This is really slow for the amount of floors it is.
And for the height these floors are.
Yeah.
Probably only what, 500? Less than that, I think. Probably 350.
Oh, much less than 500. I'd say 350. If they were 500, they'd be gearless. And the records say geared.
Yeah.
Also, UCLS would never be gearless.